In this lesson, we're going to multiply integers. Okay, so bago ang lahat, tandaan muna natin yung mga symbols na ginagamit for multiplication. So before, ang ginagamit kasi natin ay yung ganitong symbol, no? Halimbawa, 3 times 2. So ganyan yung itsura niya. No, ito yung parang X. And then ngayon, may ginagamit na tayong parenthesis lang, yung ganyan. No? So 3 times 2 din ang ibig sabihin yan. And another is yung dot, no, sa gitna. So pare-parehas lang yan ng ibig sabihin. No? Puro 3 times 2. Okay. So let us have first the rules in multiplying integers. Number 1, multiply the numbers. And then number 2, if the two numbers have the same sign, the product is positive. No? If the two numbers have different signs, the product is negative. So, ibig sabihin, if you have two, no, the same sign, no, you have positive tsaka times positive tsaka negative times negative, parehas yan positive. But if you have two numbers with different signs, positive tsaka negative, then negative tsaka positive, parehas yan, negative. Now, take note of the word 2. Ibig sabihin, dalawa lang, no? Dalawa lang yung minumultiply dito. So, ibig sabihin, iba pa yung rules kapag more than 2 na. So, what if you have 3 positive? Positive muna tayo. So, positive times positive, positive, no? Then, positive times positive, positive, no? And then, halimbawa, 4. Wala tayong problema pag puro positive, no? Ayan. So, ibig sabihin lahat yan positive. So, kahit ilan pa yan, pag lahat naman positive, positive yung sagot natin. But, pag negative, medyo, ano na doon, no? Ayan. Medyo mahirap ng konti. Hindi naman. Okay, bawa, ayan. Di ba sabi natin, negative times negative is positive. No? Pag tatlo, you can multiply first, no? Yung first two numbers, no? With negative sign. So, that would be negative times negative, magiging positive. Tapos yung positive, you can multiply this a third, which is positive times negative, which is negative. So, therefore, ang sagot dito ay negative. No? Then, pag 4, so you have negative times negative, negative. Then, negative times negative, positive. Sorry. Ano pala? Negative times negative, positive. Tapos, positive times negative, negative. No? And then, negative times negative, that would be positive. So, therefore, positive ang sagot lahat dyan. Okay? So, ganun ang pwede nyong gawin. Now, pag 5, magiging negative uli siya. Pag 6, positive, na puro negative yon. And then, pag 7, negative. Pag 8, positive. So, what do you notice? Kapag add, no, yung bilang, no, which is 3, 5, no, para lang 1. Kasi ano naman yun eh. 7, 9, and so on. So, therefore, ang sagot natin ay negative. Kapag naman even, which are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on, yung bilang ng minumultiply mo, positive yun. No, pag puro negative yung minumultiply mo. Now, kapag magkakaiba na ng sign, ayan. So, for example, you have positive times positive, negative times positive times negative. So, pwede ka mag-multiply muna ng dalawa. Negative times positive, negative. Then, i-multiply mo doon sa sumunod. Negative times negative, positive. So, positive yung sagot natin. Okay, samahan natin ang numbers. Okay, so again, rules are number 1, you multiply the numbers. No? So, we have 3 times 1 is 3. So, kung paano ka mag-multiply lang ng number, ganun lang. And then, sa sign, since press positive, then therefore positive. Okay? So, sabi, if the two numbers have the same sign, the product is positive. So, parehas sila ng sign. Number 2, 5 times 4, 20. Parehas positive. So, therefore, positive. Next example. Oh, we should multiply first, no? 3 times 1, 3. Parehas ng sign, negative times negative. So, therefore, positive. No? Positive siya. Okay, next. 5 times 4, 20. Parehas ng sign. So, therefore, positive. Yan, magkaiba na. 8 times 2, 16. Magkaiba ng sign, negative. So, ganun lang siya. Mas madali to kaysa sa addition tsaka subtraction of integers. Anyway, pag alam mo naman yung rules, no, of adding, tsaka subtracting, multiplication, tsaka division, hindi ka naman maliligaw. Basta alam mo lang yung ginagawa mo, no? And then, 5 times 4, 20. And then, negative, since magkaiba ng sign. Okay? Yan. 8 times 2, 16. Positive, negative, negative. 5 times 4, 20. Positive, negative, negative. Ayan. So, parehas positive. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 6, 18. So, wala tayong problema sa sign. So, positive lang din. Ayan. O, gusto niyo, multiply muna natin yung sign, no? Para ano. So, negative times negative, positive. So, yung positive times negative, negative. So, negative na siya. Then, you multiply the numbers. 5 times 4, 20. Times 3, 60. So, therefore, ang sagot natin ay negative 60. Next. Oh, negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, negative. Negative times negative, positive. So, therefore, positive yung sagot natin. So, let us now multiply the integers. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 6, 18. 18 times 2, 36. No? So, therefore, ang sagot natin ay positive 36. Okay, next. So, positive times negative, negative. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times positive, positive. So, positive na yan. Then, 5 times 4, 20. Times 3, 60. No? And then, times 5, 300. No? So, we have positive 300. Okay, another example. No? So, we have positive times negative, negative. Negative times positive, negative. Negative times positive, negative. So, negative. Ang sagot natin dyan. No? So, we have 8 times 2, which is 16. No? Then, 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 5 is 160. So, that would be negative 160. Okay? Another example, negative times negative, positive, positive times positive, positive, positive times negative, negative. Pero may zero na siya dito, so therefore, zero na agad ang sagot natin dyan. Diba? Kasi kahit i-multiply natin to 5 times 3, 15, no? Negative, positive 15, tapos times negative 4, which is negative 60. But, you multiply to 0, 0 ang sagot. Okay, your turn.